Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to draw a line. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Drawing lines here on Lucidchart is a simple process, and basically it is a core feature that enhances the functionality and clarity of your diagrams. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the new button. You can start with a blank board or Lucidchart, or Lucidchart, wherein we can start to draw a line from a template that we wanted. All right, so here we can attach some image on the left side panel of our dashboard. You can start with a recommended templates. But for now, say for example, I'm gonna start from scratch. I'm gonna click on the left side and click on images. And here I'm going to drag and drop or search for my computer. By clicking this arrow, you can choose from image, GIF, or OneDrive. If you do that, you can attach a file, and then for you to be able to draw a line, all you have to do is hover down to the left side panel of your dashboard, wherein you have the access to the shapes right here. And on the shapes, you have the standard right here. And this is going to be the line or horizontal divider. If you do that, you have an option to obviously create a kind of like a small diagram right here. You can put in a slanted arrow, kind of like this, pointing towards this one right here. That is a line pointing toward the image. All right, and of course you can connect it to the main line that we have. You also have the option to drag and drop it here. Not only that, you can also increase the line style or the thickness right here if you want. All right, and then you can create as many lines as you can here within the diagram that you have created. And for you to be able to copy is to duplicate is just pressing Ctrl+C to copy, and then Ctrl+V for using a Windows on your computers to create different segmented lines here. It's very important to do that so you can structure the information, because using lines to visually group related elements without enclosing them in a shape, all right, it creates a separation of a diagram for better organization. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.